In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send large files through Gmail efficiently and effortlessly. Sometimes, the files we need to send are larger than the typical email attachment limit, and Gmail has a handy way of helping us work around this. When you log into your Gmail account, go ahead and compose a new email by clicking on the Compose button located in the upper left corner of your screen. This will open up a new email window where you can enter the recipient's email address, the subject of your email, and whatever message you would like to include. If you've tried to attach large files traditionally and encountered issues, you might already be familiar with Gmail's 25 megabytes limit on file attachments. For larger files, Google provides a seamless solution, Google Drive, their cloud-based storage service. Once your email draft is open, look for the Google Drive icon, which is nestled nicely at the bottom toolbar of the Compose window. It looks like a triangular yellow, green, and blue icon. Click on this icon to open a new browser window that displays your Google Drive. You can upload new files to your drive simply by dragging and dropping them into this interface or by selecting Upload if you prefer a more traditional route. Pick the files you need to send from your computer through Google Drive. If you're uploading documents or images, note how large they are so you can assess how much space your files will occupy in your drive storage. Now, once the files are uploaded, you'll spot them in your Google Drive list. This is where you select the files by clicking on them, enabling the option to insert them as drive links into your email. It's important to make sure that the permissions are set correctly in Google Drive to allow your recipients to view or download the documents as needed. When you insert your Drive files into your email, you'll see an option to set permissions. Choose whether you want your recipient to view, comment, or edit the files. A useful reminder here, if your recipient doesn't have a Google account, you'll need to set the permission to anyone with the link can view for seamless access. After ensuring that the access is correctly configured, click Insert to add the files into your email message as Google Drive links. You'll notice the links appear as attachments in your email, but don't worry, these are just hyperlinks that open directly to the stored files in your Google Drive. Before you hit the Send button, double-check everything. Ensure your links open correctly, the permissions are set accurately, and your message says everything you want it to convey. And there you have it. Send your email and your recipient will receive your large files, hassle-free, thanks to the collaboration between Gmail and Google Drive. This straightforward method makes file sharing efficient and keeps your data secure. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.